So, working on a door lock for a 96 Camaro, maybe, I'm not sure. But I can tell that the key doesn't go all the way in, and there's some corrosion in the back there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's quite all right. So they painted the cap here. Paint, glue, toothpicks, plastic forks, and all that. They don't mix with locks. So I'm going to hammer that in there. It went in farther. Looks like it went in all the way. First few are moving. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to spray some lube in there and see if we can get it to free up a little bit more. I'll take a pick and poke it, poke those wafers. A little pick here. Try and clean that crud out of there. Actually, that key still isn't going in all the way. Where is it? Everything's moving. It's not going in all the way though, I don't think. There we go. Went that time. That won't come out. There we go. See? Look at that. Right on. Now I won't have to take it all apart. See if I can clean that out a bit more. Just the last two wafers were corroded. It comes out gray. So yeah, that's what it is. Corrosion. Is the same key here. Yep. Kind of figured that was what was happening. Key wasn't going in all the way. But gotta work it. Working a lot better now. Pretty exciting stuff, I'll tell you that. It's working. See everything in there moving now. Beautiful. Simply the best. Right on. That's that. Okay, we can stick this lock pawl back on here. That's only fit one way because of that. Like so. So. This goes on one way. That gets pushed on. Like that. That's it for that. It's working perfect now. All right. Well, that's the end of that one. I'm going to go on to the next one, and I invite you to come along. Bye.